how to link Instagram to Facebook. Firstly, open up your Facebook, go to hamburger icon, scroll it down, go to settings and privacy, and click on settings, and again scroll it down, and at the bottom you can see Meta account setter. Click on the option and select the profile that you want to connect with. For now, I have this Facebook profile, Donald Duck, and I want to add another Instagram account to this account, so I'm gonna click with add accounts, and here I have started Kim Dang. Click on continue, and it is asking me whether to add Instagram account to the account center or not. Since I'm sure that I want to do that, I'll click on add Statham Dim Kang, and that's it. This account has been linked to my Facebook profile.